Welcome to our English lesson. In today's dialogue, Nina and Tom talk about their day.
Hi, Tom. How was your day?
Hi, Nina. It was good, thanks. I had a busy day at work. How about you?
My day was nice. I went shopping in the morning and met my friend for lunch.
That sounds fun. What did you buy?
Just some groceries and a new t-shirt. What about you? What did you do at work?
I had a meeting with my manager and worked on a new project. We finished it this afternoon.
That's great. Was it difficult?
A little, but my team helped a lot. We worked together and everything went well.
Good to hear. Did you have time to rest?
Not really. I came home late, but I took a short walk after dinner. That helped me relax.
I love evening walks. The weather is nice these days.
Yes, it is. Do you usually go for walks in the evening?
Sometimes. When I finish my work early, I walk near the park. It makes me feel calm.
That sounds lovely. Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'll visit my parents and help my mom in the garden. And you?
I'll go to the gym in the morning, then meet a friend for coffee.
Sounds like a good day.
Yes, I hope so. Anyway, it's getting late. I should go now.
Okay, have a good night.
Thanks, Nina. Good night.
Great job. Today you learned how to talk about your day in English. Try to use these phrases when speaking with your friends or classmates. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.